Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ike Akinbola speaking. In today's video, I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT in your WhatsApp. It's very easy to use WhatsApp, but when you have ChatGPT on WhatsApp, then it makes it very easy to use and very convenient to use. How do you get that? Let's go into my phone. All you need to do right now is to go to your browser. Once you click on your browser and search for SHMOOZ-AI, Smooth AI. Once you search for Smooth AI, you are going to be seeing the first option. Click on the first option. Once the first option loads up, the next thing you want to do is to click on the Start Schmoozing button. It will lead you to your WhatsApp. Once you lead to your WhatsApp, then you would receive the number as ChatGPT, and you can end up asking different questions to this particular AI. So here it is. It will bring up Let's Smooth. You send it. Once you click on Let's Smooth, then it will bring up a welcome message, and the welcome message will welcoming you to the group or to the WhatsApp chat. I'll be changing this particular contact. I'll be changing it to ChatGPT instead. So once I save it up, then it will receive the number for me as ChatGPT once it loads up. So of course, how are you doing today? I'm fine. See that there are relative questions that this ChatGPT is also limited to. So let's ask the bot this question. Give me code to how do I make use of Python. Okay, so let's send it and see what the response of the ChatGPT will be. So it's very good and very easy to use. All you need to do is make sure you type in the necessary correct prompt. Once you type in the necessary prompt, it will give you the right response, and then you're good to go. Okay, so this is one. So you see, Python is a versatile programming language, so it gives you direct response just like you get from ChatGPT when using it in the browser. So what are you waiting for? If this thing looks like what you want to learn or what you want to learn more about, go ahead and carry out the process just like I've carried it out, and I know you're going to be getting the same result. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done that, and make sure you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like the content. See you in the subsequent videos. Thank you.